I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders, respect, and treat everyone, with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge, my devotion. In there will be, and prosperity, alone lies, my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's international news is brought to you by Guru Kiran. European Union new AI transparency rules serve heat waves and fights impact global region. Rescue efforts underway in Indonesia verified. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today's national news is brought to you by Guru Charan from Grade 7 Jasper. National news. NEET PG exams reforms ruled out. Heavy rainfall and relief operations in southern India. Thank you. Today's word is brought to you by Punit of Grade 9 Jasper. Word gratitude. Meaning being thankful. Friends, please spell after me. Gratitude. 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 Meaning being thankful. Thank you. Today's thought is brought to you by Shahimuddin. Thought. The only great work to do is to love what you do. I repeat it again. The only great things to do is to love what you do. Thank you. Today, weather report is brought to you by K. Meghna. Weather report. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 20 km per hour. Mostly cloudy. Thank you. And today's GK questions are brought to you by Gautam from Grade 7 Jasper. Question for Grade 7. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Mercury. Let us appreciate them. Which is question for Grade 8. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Nile River. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which continent doesn't have any active volcano? I repeat my question. Which continent doesn't have any active volcano? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is Australia. Question for Grade 10. What is the 0 degrees of longitude called? Grade 10. I repeat my question. What is the 0 degrees longitude called? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is prime meridian. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. Which is the hardest substance found on Earth? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is diamond. Let us appreciate them. What is the name of the island of India which is active volcano? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Barren Island. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 3. Which is the longest river in the world? I repeat my question. Which is the longest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Pacific Ocean. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.